Purnia, Purnia district, now Purnia Commissioner, Kishanganj, Araria, Katihar, all under Purnia district. And Kishanganj MP. Kishanganj MP, Syed Sahabuddin Sir, brilliant, bright diplomat, writer, Supreme Court advocate, and a brilliant diplomat from Patna University, top of the Patna University. Physics, no one has broken his record in physics, and the best diplomat of his time. I salute, and he was a resident Indian, resident born Bihari, resident Indian, and the brilliant Indian. Not like the first Prime Minister of India, he was non-resident Indian, Jawaharlal Nehru, writer. And Salman, and he was also Salman Rushdie, non-resident Kashmiri Indian, writer. Jawaharlal Nehru ji, first Prime Minister of India, non-resident Kashmiri writer. Discovery of India he did. Well read, well world market selling book. So Salman Rushdie's book, many books. I have not read. I have glanced Nehru's book, Discovery of India, also prescribed in Nehru's classes. But I have not read Salman Rushdie's book, which is banned in India. It was Sahabuddin Sir in Parliament, the Lok Sabha, MP from Kishanganj. He had raised the voice and was banned. Even Present Chancellor of Patna University, Hari Mohan Khan was also present in the Lok Sabha when this debate was hot up Lok Sabha, and Sahabuddin Sir had won. Later on, even Iran had banned with fatwa issued against Salman Rushdie, and even today, Salman is still alive, is right. So many attempts have been made on his life. And recently I was reading in his book, Knife, reviewed by Julius Siboro, a retired IPS officer from India, living in Goa, had written in the review of that book. He had just glanced, so I have glanced this book. I have not read Salman Rushdie. But he is a resident Indian. The first president of India was a resident Indian, Dr. Prasad. And Jawaharlal Nehru was first Prime Minister of India, he was non-resident Indian. Because Nehru had schooling, colleging in London. Mahendra Babu had, Rajendra Prasad had reading, schooling, colleging had in India. Iron Man of India, Vallabhbhai Patel, and was resident Indian. Gandhi was not Gandhi had also graduated from London. So they are non-resident Indian in France. So now I appeal to all Indians, even now many are here non-resident Indians. They are marching in Bihar to raise the Bihari, to get the vote, to live there for survive in India. But Biharis will vote for the President Indian. President Indian, Narendra Modi. President Indian, Haldar. Resident Indian, J.P. Nadda. Resident Indian, so free resident Indian, born intelligent, handsome resident Indian, they will have the right first to get many non-resident Indian professors also in Delhi and AUC also, they should be screened by the Indian born Indian handsome resident Indians. They are the real true justice to the new plan to look into that resident Indians book with references, with research should be looked into and should be really brought into the market of the world, and then the really best selling book of India and the world.